Alright, so hey guys, what's up everyone, it's your boy nipundhawanyt back with another brand new video. So how you having guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make pancakes, really very tasty and full of protein pancakes within 4 minutes, and the last minute in this video I've taken for explaining and something. So let's start making. See ya, let's go. So guys, the first step, you have to take a single banana. I'm taking 2 because I want to make more like 7 pancakes, big pancakes. So take a banana, smash it in a big bowl very properly, like till it becomes very gaada. So guys, now add 1 whole egg for more and more protein in your pancake. Mix them properly and mix till it becomes very like gada. Guys, I'm gonna change the bowl because I'm gonna make more pancakes of more quantity. Let's go. Now it's time to add your protein powder for more and more protein in your pancake. So let's add this protein powder. You can add 1 scoop, but I'm adding 2 because I want to make more quantity, and the brand I'm adding is My Protein. So guys, now we will add Atta flour. So we'll add 1 whole scoop of flour. Mix the mixture properly. So guys, I'll total and show you in the end how much protein we are going to intake in this pancake. Add a little bit of baking powder. For a small vanilla taste, I am adding vanilla essence, 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. I'm not gonna add sugar or gur, I'm gonna add honey in it, which will make it more and more yummy. Now add 1/4 cup of Amul milk or any milk you have in your house. So guys, I forgot to bring almond milk, so I added this milk. If you have almond milk, you can add that instead of this. Now after your paste is ready, apply some ghee, desi ghee on the tawa pan, and then pour the mixture in a circular way. Flip the pancake after you see a little bubble on it. Guys, I wanted to say I'm not a professional cook, but I am a guy who loves pancakes and I'm also a gym freak, so I made a protein pancake. So isse judge mat karna, I am not a cook. So guys, for more fun, I'm gonna make pudina aam panna drink with this pancake. So guys, I'm adding honey as a topping because I don't wanted to add peanut butter of like chocolate peanut butter and all, chocolates and whipped cream because it's unhealthy. I'm making this healthy with full of proteins, so it's looking very delicious, and that's my aam panna beside pancakes. कैसा लगा कमेंट में बताओ. डू यू लाइक इट? प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. बहुत मेहनत लगती है वीडियोस बनाने में. 5 मिनट की वीडियो के पीछे आधा घंटे की क्लिप्स होती है जिनको कट करके बनानी पड़ती है. थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत डिलीशियस बना है. लेट मी हैव दिस. चलो अभी देखते हैं इसमें प्रोटीन कितना था. So guys, this was a high protein dish. It contained 46 gram of protein, which is really very high. So guys, this was it. This is how I made my pancakes. Full of protein, full of everything. Like, it was really amazing. If you like the video, please like नीचे जाके. If you like the video, so go and like the video, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such goddamn really fun videos. So let's guys see you in my next video. Till that, keep vibing, bro.